Marshall's ready, driver's ready. On the sound of the tone.
Oh, so far pretty good.
All ready, going for the lead. Tires get hot. Great weight. Let's wheel back through. Let's get that ball. Nice gap over Cameron. Carolyn in the 3-wheel 4 brake. We got 5 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. Brake back up to the 4 now. Oh, that was her leader upside down, and that was Will, I think, going to the kits or tire change maybe. We got Cameron, Hall, and Brake. Carolyn rolls it over, Ben's gonna get by.
5 minutes left.
Cameron was 2.2 over Hall. They got to bring that back to Ben now. Chris, Will, Brake, and Carolyn take battle down. All two goes to get to the inside. Between laps, he's got 3.5 over Hall, 3.9 behind Hall with Brake. Oh, and Cameron's gonna get stuck in there. That's our leader. Yellow with the blue, silver is the 2, yellow and orange in the 3. Carolyn up to the 4 with the white, purple, and willow and purple. 5, Kristen black. Leader yellow, truck blue on the back.
Thanks, Ben.
Wheels coming straight. Silver the 2, yellow, orange in the 3. Right now, Chris is in the 4. With the black, the 2 purples, 5 and 6. All looking at issue there. That's put Will up to the 2 now. Carolyn in the 3, Paul down to the 4. Brady in the 5 is Cameron with 7.4 seconds, 1:20 left to go. Chris and Brady together. Oh, and our leader's upside down here. See how much time it looks like. Let Will. That's a battle for the lead going over the tabletop onto the front stretch. Cut on the 2. 52 seconds to go. Will all of a sudden has a lead over Carolyn. Carolyn upside down. That's gonna put Cameron back to the 2, Paul in the 3. They're gonna get together.
Oh, I'm sorry, Carolyn. Oh no. Oh no.
Will still showing us the leader. It is so pretty together what's going on right now. Cameron in the 3. Carolyn 4, Paul 5 down the straightaway. 17 seconds left to go. They should get one more after this. Will is pulled out to a 6-second gap. Through the back pedal, Cameron's got like 1.4 with Carolyn. Carolyn in the 3.
Shit. Shit. Ah.
Cameron in the 2.